We've got a nice annoying person honking their horn. Well, good afternoon, everybody. It's J&K's Stay in Vegas, and we are going to check out the March construction update for Raider Stadium. Looks like they're putting up the letters on the side of the building, so that's exciting. But yeah, it's a gorgeous day. 80 degrees, beginning of March here. Just like we did last time, we're going to take a circle walk around, see what progress has been made. And yeah, check out how close it's getting. It's going to be fun. Let's go. All right, guys, so lovely afternoon here in Vegas, beginning of March. Like I said, 80 degrees out. Got some palm trees in here. Starting to get some of the landscaping in, it looks like. It looks like they already got sidewalk that they're building over here. Pretty cool. So it's going to take us a little bit, but we're going to walk around to the other side and see them installing the new Allegiant sign. See a lot of people interested. Everybody comes and walks by. Big old steel girder going up. It's exciting. Every time there's something new in Vegas, it's exciting. But this is, I think, more exciting because Vegas is getting another sports team, professional sports team. Las Vegas Raiders. So on J&K Stay in Vegas, we try to get to a lot of the new things, properties, casinos, and obviously Raider Stadium that's happening here in Vegas. In case you don't live here. Also, please let us know in the comments below, guys, if there's something specific you want to see, or this Raider Stadium or anything in Vegas. I'm gonna get you covered on that. It's like they got a massive driveway started here, right in front of the stadium. It's really cool to see the weekly, monthly progress on all of this. So I'm going to cut it for a second. We're going to pop on over to the other side, check out this install of the sign, and see what else we can find that's new from the last time we recorded. Check this out, guys. We got a pedestrian walkway. How cool is this? Still got some dirt here in the beginning. It's not blocked off, so I'm gonna keep walking until somebody stops me. Apparently the roof is coming along. I guess there was a little bit of issues with that, but as I'm sure you've seen through other people's videos, if you're interested in the Raider Stadium, our local television station has been doing drone shots above. Unfortunately, we can't do that. It's against the law since we're so close to McCarran Airport. But at least to get a ground perspective of all the busyness going on. Lots of outside work going on. Let us know in the comments down below if you are excited about the stadium opening. If you're coming from out of town, maybe from Oakland or LA, maybe Raiders are your home team. Now they'll be Vegas's home team. Should be fun. Golden Knights, when they came in, what, 3 years ago now? That was exciting. And I wasn't even a hockey fan. Now I'm a hockey fan. Helps when your team goes to Stanley Cup Finals. So we're gonna cross the street here. Looks like they got this whole plaza done over here. Also going to be covering the NFL draft here in town. See what kind of shenanigans, the media, all the hype should bring some nice dollar amounts to our city of Las Vegas. Looks like they got almost all the letters up. They got Allegiant, no T yet. Stop here for a second. So I don't know if you guys know this, but this whole area underneath the Allegiant sign, this is an entire video display that you're going to be able to see from the I-15 behind us, and will also be inside Raider Stadium. Supposedly one of the largest, if not the largest in the world. So it's going to be pretty insane if you're coming to Vegas at night, say a Monday night football game, and see this coming in. Future home of the Raiders. But I think that's going to do it for us here. Please subscribe, helps our little channel grow. Give a big thumbs up if you like the video. And give us a comment below if you're excited to see this. Should be really fun when it opens for even preseason. Also, you might see in the background, let's see if I can focus in on it. There's a Staybridge Hotel. These are hotels that are very close to the stadium. So there's Staybridge, a Marriott, there's a Fairfield, and a Holiday Inn Express. So if you stay on one of these properties, you can easily walk, and you can avoid the strip. So that's kind of cool. We got a lot of interesting videos coming up, including visit to the lion habitat, some monorail stuff, a whole bunch of stuff, and of course, new hotels, the Circa, the Drew, there's walkthroughs on Wandering Wednesdays. All right, guys, please subscribe to the channel. We certainly appreciate it. And give us a comment below. And turn on those notification bells, because that way it'll let you know every time we upload a new video or go live. All right, guys, until the next one, it's J&K. Again, stay in Vegas.